So here we are at the middle intersection with a broken bike again. What is this? This is what happened when you buy cheapo stuff. You see that? You see this? Yeah. That's exactly what happened when you buy crappy stuff. Let it be a lesson to all that you get what you pay for. You truly do. Look at this. Wow. You see me right there? Wow. Anyways, my good friend Jeremy said to put some glue on it and maybe it stays. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not really sure on how I like this right there, like facing down, or what is it, under mirrors? I forgot what the term is, but I just don't like it. Don't really like it at all. I think I'm gonna bring him back up here, and I think I'm gonna roll like that, because I'm gonna tell you, I feel like it doesn't provide the same amount of visibility, if you want to put it that way. But either way, I hope everybody's doing fantastic. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'm just so happy to be back on my bike. I really am. It's been maybe about a week or so, or maybe longer than a week. Wow, maybe about a week and a half since I took the bike out, because what I was trying to do and other issues that I had. But you know what, beautiful day, just came out of work and I'm going home, and I told the wife, hey, I'm gonna take it a little bit longer because I actually want to ride my bike and, you know, kind of try it out. It being over a week or so, and I want to make sure that everything is working. I want to make sure the clutch is working, all that good stuff. Beautiful bikes right here, really beautiful bikes. So again, really excited to go out and really excited to take the bike out today for a little ride and just enjoy myself and enjoy this weather down here in Florida. Man, it's such a beautiful state. I'm gonna tell you, since everything that happened lately in the country, you guys know what's going on. I'm just so glad that I live in such a beautiful state like the state of Florida. Really am. And you know what, our governor is doing such an amazing, really good job. Man, the bike is running good. The brake is not as good as I wanted to, but you know what, this brake has never been as good as I wanted to. Really have not. Look at that. Wow. Man, I'm astonished. What a beautiful day. Alright, so here's the thing. I got these controllers right here. Look at them. They look beautiful, and I'm actually glad that I stayed with the black buttons, because I just think they look so much better. I really do think that they look a lot better than the chrome ones, and it kind of gives me, I don't know, a look in a way, you know, because I have a Rokin Classic and I have black backs, and it kind of, I think it kind of matches everything really well. I'm actually very excited of that. So again, love them. I know it's kind of distracting. My mirrors are everywhere, but look at this. Woo! 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 All right, done with the gains. So, but again, you know, they look amazing, and I got it from a company called, man, hopefully I don't mess it up, Hill Country Cycles. Anyways, I'll put the name right here. And the reason why I know them is because, you know, when I pulled my bars, I did a lot of research, and some of the videos came out, and the guy that was doing the videos, again, I don't know them, I don't know much about them other than they are in California, but the guy that was doing the videos was doing such an amazing job, man. Wow. I mean, their videos are very informative and really good. I think they haven't posted a video in quite some time. I wish they go back to making videos, because I'm gonna tell you, I mean, the quality and the information is top notch. So either way, I knew about this company from watching the videos, from trying to make a decision what bikes I'm gonna get, and getting some of the guidance and things like that. And I initially was gonna get the covers that actually cover, obviously, the black housing and things like that, but I decided not to. I decided to start looking into the whole system, right? And yes, you guys know Harley is as expensive as you can tell, right? It's insane the amount of money that they want. So I decided to look into hill country cycles, and again, I saw that they were selling them, and I decided to go for it, and I did. And I think I pay, I don't remember exactly, I put it here on the board or in the screen, but it had to be maybe about, wow, 240, something like that. So it wasn't a crazy amount of money when it comes down to the fact that, you know, it came with everything. It came with the housing, it came with the brake reservoir right here, the levers, everything is chrome. Again, the same thing with the clutch, the lever, except the mirrors. Everything was just pretty much ready to go, ready to install, ready to... Wow, what a day. You guys saw the bike dying. Here we are with a battery. So going back to that intersection, I'm putting the battery to see if it works. So here we are on the middle intersection with a broken bike again. Man, oh man. So to Yogi and I think it's Stevie, you guys said that was the battery. It was the battery. You guys know more about bike than me. Well, definitely Yogi for sure, and Stevie too, because I'm a newbie. At least 2 Harleys. Man, so there I am talking about how it's just so amazing to have my bike back and having such a great time. And what happens? The bike died. Literally died on me. So my wife brings our car that is, you know, just your regular little car, right? And again, nothing happens. So I said, well, let me go get my truck, you know, that V8 truck that is probably going to help me jump the bike so I could get it out of the way, because I was at an intersection. Again, nothing happened. My wife is like, call a towing truck. I'm like, nah, I'm just going to get a new battery. So I took the battery out, and you know what? I went to the store and I got another battery. And I'm going to tell you, the thing that sucks about this is the fact that I really didn't have the choice on what battery to get. So again, it wasn't like I was able to be picky about it. I was able to get whatever, you know, I just couldn't. I just got the battery they had. So I paid about $139, which, man, it has been a while since I bought a battery. I kind of feel like that's expensive. So again, that's what they had. And the fact that I had my bike in the middle of a busy intersection, I just really didn't have too many choices, if you guys know what I'm going with this. So again, you know, it is what it is. I got that battery, I put it on, and wow, automatically turn on. Man, I'm just really happy that the bike is back. It cost me $139. That kind of sucks. People say this all the time. People argue or debate about this. Well, should I buy a new bike? Because, you know, new bikes never, or not never, but, you know, supposedly they're not supposed to break as much. And to me, it's kind of like, I don't know. I really don't know, because paying $500 a month, that's a lot of money. I prefer just to get a battery, and that's about it. Now, I got to do a little bit more research on this battery, because there is like a little clear pipe that comes out, or it was attached to my old battery. This one that I just used has nothing related to where to connect a little clear little hose or something. So I don't know where that little hose goes to. I guess I do some research. Maybe when I get into the garage, I open it up and I show it to you guys. And you know what? Let's cut into that and let me know what you think.
Ooh, right there. All right, let's check this out real quick. All right, so here's the new battery that I got. Like I said, really not too many choices because that's what they had when I went to pick it up. But either way, this is the little plastic hose that I was talking about right there. And again, this was connected to the battery, I believe, and it goes down this way. Now, again, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's supposed to be connected to. Really not going to figure it out right now because you know what? It's late and I want to go and get some sleep pretty soon. But if you guys got any comments, put it down below. And again, in the next couple of days, I guess I figured out what it is.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the guy checked the old battery right in front of me, and the machine, or the battery checker, said bad battery. So it is what it is. I'm gonna tell you, how ridiculous is this? That's embarrassing. Really, really embarrassing. Wow. I'll tell you, I started pretty happy. Then I kind of got bummed out a little bit because my bike broke. But I'm happy again, and I'm gonna tell you, it's a beautiful day. All right, so I'm gonna continue riding. I'm gonna go home. I hope you guys are doing okay. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. Stay tuned. We got a lot of videos coming up. And as always, God is in control.